Hello everybody. So you no doubt noticed the distinct lack of videos of late, and this is my explanation for that. You may remember a little over a year ago I made a video called The One Where Things Get Meta. And this was a video I created because I felt like I might not want to make videos anymore. And at that time I couldn't really put into words very well why I felt this way. And now I can, because it's kind of happened again. Making videos has gotten to the point where I feel obligated to make them. I feel like I have to, not that I want to. And this is a problem, because making videos should not be a stressful thing to do. It should be something that I want to do. So that's why you haven't seen a video from me in a while. Now, this isn't a video of me letting you know that I will never make videos again. This is simply a video letting you know that I am going to be taking a break. I already took most of October off, and I'm going to go ahead and take this month off as well. But after that, I will return and continue making videos. And although I'm not going to completely promise this, what I'm going to try to do when I come back on December 1st is make a video every day leading up to Christmas. Again, not going to make that promise right now because that's a lot of videos to put together, but it is something that I am going to strive for. So yes, that's where I stand on video making at the moment. And that means that you will not be seeing me for the rest of this month, but I shall return in December. And I hope to see all of you then.